Good morning, good afternoon, and good night to all. My name is Khoo Xiang, and today I will show you all my program, the Cleaner Drone. And now I will show you the problem and solution. Problem: due to the increase of carbon, the greenhouse effect has been happening more often than usual. This can cause climate change by trapping heat and also contribute to respiratory disease from smoke and air pollution. Solution: KJX Clean Drone. This innovative drone that I designed can help push away clouds to get solar energy by blowing clouds away using a powerful propeller and reduce carbon. And now I will give a demonstration of the program. Your job as the drone is to clear the clouds and let the sun shine onto the solar panels. If not, we will use this factory to generate electricity using fossil fuel, but we will also release carbon, as you can see here. You have to get to 10 points in order to win the game. And now I will demonstrate what that looks like. When you have gotten to 10 points, this screen will show up, and then it means you have completed the game and you have won. And now I will show you what happens if you lose. In order to lose, carbon release has to get to 50. And now let me demonstrate what will happen if you get there. As you can see, this is what happens if you get to 50 carbon release. Thank you, everyone.